Sorry, excuse. Indian, what's up?
Why you don't have a number for him?
I do. I've been trying to call him all day.
And you know that because Karen now is at
Where's Karen?
on court.
Ranahan Court?
Yeah, because they are having some week tonight.
Who died?
Brother named Lori.
Oh, that's tonight.
Yeah.
Oh.
One that fall off the tree.
You're going?
Hmm?
You're going there?
Well, maybe I might show up.
That's her family?
Hmm?
Yeah? So right where's she? What, Petty Pete? No, is it called
Yeah,
Petty Pete?
Petty Peace and Girl.
Oh, that's so far. That's far.
Well, we're gonna take a cab there. You know what?
Cab can go up there?
I can take a taxi, man.
Okay.
You don't ride on bike?
I don't like bike. Alright. Thank you. Maybe. Alright, thanks. Booby, what's up? Hi. Surprise.
I say look dark.
I look dark?
So my I bike you red? No. Just leave here.
Just not too long. You must see you on the top.
Okay. Oh, right near Kim?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Let me trouble Booby. Booby! Come here. You can't give me a hug.
Come on, Bobby. You don't remember?
You remember me? So come give me a hug. Come here.
What's your name, Bobby?
What's mine? Hi, how are you? Super. Morning, Super. Okay, so my auntie, she's gonna drop off her cylinder, right? And then I'm gonna collect one from you and pay what, 2.5?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So I don't know what time she's gonna come, but she's gonna make me know.
All right. Okay.
What time you here till?
We're doing in the afternoon, man. 5.
5?
All day.
What about tomorrow? In case So if anything, I would come check you Monday, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna be here in the evening.
All right, no problem.
All right. Call him.
So I texted her come let me. But I already crossed the road.
Oh. What kind of tree is that?
Guinness.
Guinness? Oh. Who's on the tree? One of the little kids? And they're not afraid? Alright. Oh, mine I drop. Mine I drop. Uy, Jesus.
Fall off me. So far enough.
Oh. Wow, he's a good climber. That high.
Everybody was down here, sir.
Mm.
They up here like birds.
Wow.
Man, you look at them up there. I'm telling you. Yo, rush on.
Mm-mm.
Climb free. Rush on, look here. Look at climb free, boss. And somebody talk to you, boy. Look who pull up the what.
What? I don't want no guinea. I don't too fancy guinea.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what you doing?
So what, no more mangoes?
No, mangoes, not right now.
Oh God.
Rush on, show a little bullshit. Walk it on the shot.
Yo. Boy, Russia, na pick no net, you know. Phone case no play though.
Oh, thanks.
Let's start in after. Hold on, come up on this, you know. Come on. We don't go start pouring it. Let's come up on this, you know. Come up on this. Yeah, man.
You get guinea? You don't eat guinea? Yeah? Oh. Oh. Oh, JJ house look nice. Shit.
You not finish it.
The bottom finish? They look nice. Holy shit. Big.